want to scare members of the public, and we don't want them to panic, because there is the balancing between physical health and mental health. But as you rightly said, this disease affects people in very different ways. Some people can be completely asymptomatic, have no symptoms whatsoever, don't even know that they've got it, but can still be very contagious, and that's why it's a bit of a problem. But then the disease seems to follow two courses. So some people have a situation where they have this mild flu-like illness for 5 to 7 days, and then they get completely better. However, other people, and there are the at-risk categories, so patients that have diabetes, chronic kidney disease, various other complex medical problems, which obviously, as far as I'm aware, the Prime Minister doesn't fall into those categories, right? But this should serve as even more of a warning shot for your viewers, in the sense that the second stage of this disease, in the some people that get it, can involve a really, really severe autoimmune reaction, something called cytokine storm, which basically the body's natural defenses are overwhelmed, and the body shuts down with multi-organ failure. So I want to reassure your viewers that from the news that's coming out at the moment, as far as we can tell, that is certainly not the case for the Prime Minister. But it is a powerful warning to how seriously members of the public really must take this. And I think there's an element of distrust in some elements of the media, and there's this era of fake news, and nobody really wants to believe this. I've been tracking this since it started in December in Wuhan, and I've spoken to colleagues around the world, and this trail of destruction and sadly death has swept around the globe. So members of the public really, really, really need to stay at home, protect the NHS, and ultimately save lives. And if the Prime Minister, Boris Johnson, on an intensive care unit, albeit for monitoring at the moment, isn't that powerful warning shot to your viewers, then I honestly, I'm lost for words as to what is.